Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to work on a kettlebell cross-body clean with symmetrical feet for this one. This is part of a development to get to a very important kettlebell drill that isn't taught that much. We're doing an evolution of the movement so that you can practice all the way up to it. We practiced an outside clean to catch. We practiced a stagger stance clean, both contra and ipsilateral to the lead leg. Now we are going to start taking this exercise and making it really weird. You should do this exercise with very, very light weights in the beginning. This is what you might call a poisonous exercise. It puts your body in an extremely weird position, and most people are not athletically prepared for this. Do a lot of all of your other kettlebell drills first, and then drop weight to at least 50% of your clean and press weight. With this exercise, we are going to point our feet straight ahead. At the top, stand up like always. Pull your kneecaps up, squeeze your glutes. Breathe behind the shield. With this exercise, we're going to start it with a normal clean to get it up, and then we are going to go outside. You'll instantly see why this looks like a bad idea. You're going to punch your hand out, you're going to load down, you're going to snap up and pull back in. This one causes you to flex and rotate in some way. How you do that depends on your body type, and some people might rotate even more, some people might rotate less and do it just from the hips. That's why you start with a light weight. Practice until you figure out which version isn't going to kill you. 2 feet straight ahead, the L of the hand to the L of the kettlebell, hike the weight back, get it up. From here, if you want to, bring your feet a little bit closer together so that you're not going to just jack right into your knee on the first rep. From here, punch your hand straight out, swing straight back, bring it up, pull your elbow back in. You'll notice when I set it down normally. I set it down in the safest way I could. When I set it down, I stepped out back to my normal clean and press stance and set the weight down. Let's do this on the other side. Feet wide, get the weight up. Bring your feet a little bit closer together. Punch out, don't hit yourself in the knee. Step wide, set the weight down with good technique. This exercise is very important. You'll notice we have our symmetrical stance at the bottom, asymmetrical at the top, and now we're in a very weird position at the bottom. You will notice this position looks a lot like famous sculptures from ancient Greece. That's why we do this. People have been practicing this position for at least 2,700 years, probably when the original one of those sculptures is dated to, if I remember correctly. I'm sure somebody will check me on that. The important things: point your feet straight ahead. If you're gonna clock yourself in the knee, bring your feet closer together until your knee is not in the path of that hand. If your legs are wide, make them thinner until you miss your knee. Start with a light weight. I cannot emphasize that enough. Start with a light weight. People who do weapons training, martial arts, will find this to be an extremely useful position. If you're a judo guy and you practice this position a lot because you're doing it in your step turn, this is a great position for you to practice. This is a very, very weird core firing position. It's also a very important one. If any type of racket sport, bat sport, any of those, this is an exercise that will benefit your sport. But start light. This has been Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica.